In 1984, Apple ran a commercial that changed everything forever. It showed a world where everyone used the same computer, thought the same thoughts, followed the same instructions. Then, one person threw a hammer and shattered the screen. The AI world in 2026 looks exactly like that commercial. Everyone is using ChatGPT. It's the default, the safe choice, the thing you use because everyone else uses it. But there is a hammer movement happening right now, quietly, in the offices of the smartest developer writers and professionals in the world. And the hammer is called cloud. So, my name is Ashur. I run AI Tools Hustle, where I test every major AI tool so you don't have to. For the past 30 days, I use Claude and ChatGPT side by side for every single task in my work life. Writing, research, email, content creation, data analysis, everything. So what I found is not what the internet is telling you. And today I am going to tell you the complete honest truth, including the parts that surprised me, the parts that disappointed me, and exactly which tool you should be using for which task starting today. Let me tell you the problem with how most people use AI in 2026. They open ChatGPT, they type something vague, they get something decent, they copy paste it, they move on, and they think that's AI. But that's not AI working for you, that's you settling for the minimum viable answer from the tool you never took the time to understand. So here is what the research actually shows. In 2026, ChatGPT and Cloud flagship models are essentially at parity in raw capabilities. The real difference is not which is smarter, it's which one fits your specific workflows. Most people never figure this out. They pick one tool, use it for everything, get every result, and wonder why AI is not changing their life the way people say it should. The person who understands the difference, who knows exactly when to use cloud and exactly when to use ChatGPT, is the person who gets 10x output from the same 24 hours everyone else has. That is what today's video is about. Let's go round by round. 7 categories, real test, honest verdicts. Writing quality. I gave both the same brief. Write a 200-word LinkedIn post about the AI productivity for professionals. ChatGPT gave me something structured and decent. Cloud gave me something that felt like a real person wrote it, with a voice, with texture, with a perspective. Cloud is widely considered the better writer for brand voice and long form content. It pushes back when something doesn't make sense, offer alternatives, and produces prose that sounds less like templates. Winner Cloud. Images and visual content. ChatGPT has DALI built in. Generate images, social graphics, visual content, all inside the same chat window. Cloud has zero native image generation. If your business involves visual content, social media graphics, or voice based workflows, ChatGPT is the better single tool choice. Short vids winner. ChatGPT. Not even close. Round 3. Handling long documents. I uploaded a 150-page industry report to both and asked for a 5-point summary with key insights. ChatGPT handled it but occasionally lost context from the earlier sections. Cloud read the entire thing and gave me a summary that referenced specific page sections accurately. Cloud supports up to 200k tokens while ChatGPT typical supports up to 120k tokens only, making Cloud a stronger choice for large document and extended analysis. Cloud winner, clearly. Round 4. Speed and everyday tasks. Quick questions, quick answers, web search, simple tasks. ChatGPT is faster to respond, has a more intuitive interface for a new user, and its memory features remembers your preferences across conversations. ChatGPT has memory. It knows who you are and what your favorite choices are. Cloud can only give answers based on the active conversations. So AI are media tag winner ChatGPT for quick daily uses. Round 5. Coding and technical work. 70% of the developers now prefer cloud for coding tasks, citing superior multi-file code-based handling, more accurate refactoring suggestions, and significantly fewer hallucinated API calls compared to ChatGPT. Cloud winner. The developer community has already decided. Round 6. Research with sources. Neither ChatGPT nor Cloud is built primarily for cited research. For that, you use Perplexity, as we covered in our last video. But between the two, ChatGPT's integrated web browsing give it an edge for quick fact verification. Cloud's web search exists but is newer and less refined. Winner ChatGPT. Slight edge. Round 7. Value for money. Both ChatGPT Plus and Cloud Pro are priced at $20 per month at the consumer tier. Same price but different strengths. The question is not which is worth more, it's which fits your work. Winner tie. Both are the winner. Depends entirely on your use cases. So here is the conclusion that nobody on the internet is giving you, because it doesn't make a good clickbait headline. So the winner of Cloud versus ChatGPT in 2026 is not Cloud. It's not ChatGPT. The winner is the person who uses both intelligently. So here is your personal AI toolkit from today. Use Cloud when you are writing anything that will represent you. Emails, proposals, content, scripts, when you are analyzing a long document, when you need deep reasoning on a complex problem, when quality matters more than speed. Use ChatGPT when you need an image generated, when you want quick web search and visual results, when you need a fast answer to a simple question, when you are doing a task that needs one of its thousands of integration. This is not a cop out answer. This is what the smartest AI user in the world actually do. Power users run both. Many experienced users pay for pro accounts on both platforms and pick per task. Cloud for code and writing, ChatGPT for images and quick tasks. And if you can only afford one right now, start with Cloud, because the quality of thinking and writing it produces will immediately make you better at your job. Images can wait, the thinking cannot. So I want to end with something personal. When Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone in 2007, he did not start by talking about spec. He did not say 1400 MHz processor, 128 GB storage. He said every once in a while a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything. He told a story, and the story made you feel something before you understood anything. AI in 2026 is that moment. This is not about which tool scores higher on a benchmark. This is about whether you are the person who uses these tools to become more capable, more efficient, more valuable, or whether you are the person who watches others do that while you wonder that you are missing. So Cloud and ChatGPT are both revolutionary. Used right, they give you capability that would have required an entire team 5 years ago. So the choice is yours. But now at least you know exactly what to choose and when. Subscribe for the next video and drop a comment, Cloud or ChatGPT. Which ones are you choosing today?